Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Have I got another video this week? Yes, another little extra video this week. It has honestly been what I feel like the busiest week of my life. This video is a Moulds and Shapes unboxing. Now the reason we're doing it now is because it's an important one, okay? It's to help us all get ready for Halloween. Can I get a hell yeah for Halloween? Actually, I'm excited for autumn. I'm excited for colder weather, darker nights, and no more of this heat. Anyway, moving on. If you are new here, you may not know, but I do work in collaboration with Moulds and Shapes. They've got some incredible molds. They're a mold making company over in the Netherlands. And I was chatting to them a couple of weeks ago. I was talking to Marjan and I was kind of like running some ideas past her for Halloween. Anyway, I drew a sketch and I asked them if it was possible to create this. They loved the idea. They got straight to work, created it, made it. It's going to go on general release for sale tonight on the website. And I have to show you these because these are gorgeous. Okay, the first two molds, guys, forgive my excitement because I can feel my blood pressure rising. The first two molds are Halloween, guys, Halloween. This is the picture that I drew for Marjan. I sent it over and she said yes, and they made it next day. Look at these. Stop it. Guys, cauldrons. Cauldron coasters. Now, I don't know about you, but we will be using these all year round in our house because we have got, my hubby is a little bit like, I don't know what you'd call him. He's not a witch, but you know, we do have skulls and Halloween decor all year round. These would work all year round for us. I'm already seeing like so many different ideas. Got Jesmonite and resin, Jesmonite cricket decals. I'm seeing, oh my gosh, I'm seeing like black Jesmonite cauldrons with boo written on the front or trick or treat written on the front. Oh my gosh, I'm beyond, like I'm beyond. I can't. Listen, if you're wondering where my excitement comes from, it's because I find pleasure in absolutely everything. Check this out. This is the next mold. Huge cauldron tray. I am seeing home decor wall art, not necessarily used as a tray. You could use it as a kitchen trivet. You could use it to decorate your kitchen. How cute would that be? Toil and trouble. What's that? Is it something bubble, toil and trouble? I don't know, there's a little saying. How cute would that be on this cauldron sitting next to your cooker or next to the kettle or something like that for Halloween? Okay, we are moving on. Christmas. We are moving on to Christmas. Check these out. These are not my designs. These are already available and out, and how gorgeous are these? Now, if you remember last Christmas, I used Moulds and Shapes large, like really large bauble silicone molds. Couldn't get enough of it. Every single video used it. Loads of different designs. I was utterly obsessed with it. This is gorgeous. We've got 3 round baubles, 3 star baubles, 3 bell shaped baubles, and typical Moulds and Shapes style, they're using every available inch of that silicone to give you even more molds. So we've got lots and lots of miniature stars. This one, stunning. Absolutely stunning. I already know. I can already envisage what I'm going to use this for. Star mold. All come with their hangers. And like I said, all of these miniature individual star molds, which are, come on, beautiful for pendants. Absolutely beautiful for pendants. FYI guys, I don't get paid to say this, okay? They do send me molds, but I don't get money for sales. I'm not an affiliate. So if you're wondering where my excitement comes from, it's authentic excitement for all of the possibilities ahead. Oh my gosh, these cauldrons, I can't even. Anyway, that is all. I'm going to stop talking and we're going to go back to me. How gorgeous are those molds? The thing is, with Moulds and Shapes being in the Netherlands, if you are in a faraway destination such as the USA or Australia, then it might take several weeks for molds to reach you from Europe. So that is why I'm showing you in August the Halloween molds. I love them so much. I've got so many ideas for those coasters and that tray. Anyway, hope you loved it, and yeah, another little extra video. I will see you tomorrow for my normal scheduled video, for a Saturday evening normal scheduled video, and that is the resin aquarium. Loved it. Took a week to make. Cannot wait. I'll see you all then. Bye.